Morning, everybody. Monday, I think it's the 11th today, not sure, 11th, 12th. Out of Port Mansfield. Supposed to have a calm morning till about 1, and winds will start picking up supposedly, so I'm going to give it a shot for this morning for a while. Hope you enjoy the video, and we'll get back to you as soon as we start getting some action out of here. Alright, talk to you in a bit. Something out there. Might be a red. Feels a good size too. Oh man, don't tell me he got off. No, he's coming, whatever it is. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, man. He woke up, looked like. Whoa, what in the world? Come on back here. Oh, you feel pretty good heavy, man. Pretty good heavy. It's gotta be a red. He popped his head out of the water. There you see him now. Oh man. Oh, yeah, it's a red. Good size red. That's maybe about 22. There he goes again. Come on back here. That was a cut pinfish. Been using croaker and I haven't been biting on that, but pinfish seemed to did make a change on it. So luckily I got a few pinfish in there. Come on, baby. Oh, that looks like a beautiful red. Come on, buddy. Get tired. Come on home. There we go. You got him. Yeah, let's see how big this baby is. Heavy. Man, I didn't think they were out here today. I was wrong. They are. Oh, you took that thing. He swallowed that hook. I'm sure he's a keeper. Alright, let's see. Come on, baby. Get this thing up here where I can measure him. Hopefully you can see it. Oh man, yeah. Right at 23 and a half. 23 and a half. Nice red. Beautiful red. Alrighty. See you in the next one. Got something again. Feels heavy. I think it's a red. Looks like a big red. I hope it's not oversized because I didn't get that new stamp yet. This is an artificial on that chicken on a chain. He coming, he coming. Get that. There he goes, there he goes. Whoa. Almost fell over the anchor. Come on, baby, let's see. Looks like a red. Yep, it's a red. Looks like a keeper. Y'all can see that chicken on a chain there on his mouth. There he comes. All right. Alright, let's see. I think, I know that other one's biting, I think. There's something hooked on it. Yeah, something's on there. Holy crap, must have been a school of reds going. Look at that thing going out onto the shore or something. Oh boy. Get this thing out. Get this baby out of here. Oh boy. Oh man. Well, what am I gonna do? Thing tangled up. Guess I'm gonna have to grab him with that one in it. Seems like a keeper also. Whoa, I think it's bigger than my last one. It is, that is my limit. Come on, baby. Let's see what you are. Whoa. Come on back. Come on back. Whoa. That's a good size red. I hope I can get him in there with that other one in there. Still hooked to that line. I can't get him out. Tangled. Get away from that trolling motor. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, buddy. Man, I thought he was getting tired. Found some new strength. That was in a piece of croaker. Come on, baby. Oh my God. Man, why ain't he getting tired? He needs to be getting stronger. This is what it's all about. Well, we come out here. Have fun like this, man. Oh boy. Yeah, that one's bigger than the last one I got in that net now. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Oh, he comes out, man. Whoa, that's nice red. Man, that's a nice red. Boy, it sounds like a drum. Whew. Two of them to deal with. Well, you can see that's cut croaker right there. I like problems like this. Let's see what this one says. Hold on, buddy. This one is, oh man, just under the limit. 27 1/4. Nice. 27 1/4. Let's see what that other one is. 20 and, well, 21. That's it for me. That's my limit. So I guess I'll be going home. Whoo, two of them at once here. Alright, we'll check back with you a little bit. Yep. Here we are, heading home. With three nice fellas to take with us. All in the 22 to 25, I believe, was the biggest one. So we reached our limit early, so we get to go home early, I guess. We might stop up ahead a little ways and see if I can try for some trout, but I've been trying back here and nothing back here, so I'll try up the ways a little ways, and then maybe we can take some trout home. Not, but this is fine. But anyway, appreciate you all coming along. The weather hasn't turned bad like they were saying it was. It's still nice, and maybe 8 miles an hour winds. It's cloudy most of the day, so it's been sweet. Anyway, make sure you subscribe and click that bell and get notifications when I put up a new video. Alright, good luck to all of you. Later.